Today, I'm stitching a Blackwork Halloween scene. Some assembly required.
It's time!
Today is the day I'm finally trying Blackwork Embroidery. For some reason, it seems like it would be really fun to try to figure it out myself, without a kit or a pattern or anything like that. I guess I just enjoy a challenge? Well, we'll see how much I enjoy a challenge. As far as I understand, Blackwork Embroidery originated in Spain as sort of a trim kind of a stitch, made things all pretty and whatnot. But these days, people seem to use it more like a pattern to fill in different spaces. And that is how I'm going to be using it today. Let's go! For my shape to fill in, I've drawn a basic cat silhouette. If I'm feeling lucky, I might add a moon and some ground. We'll see how it goes. Then, continuing with the Halloween theme, I made some spooky but simple repeating patterns to fill in those shapes. I'm very hopeful. Here's my embroidery hoop full of 14 count Aida cross-stitch fabric. I have also picked out some floss colors. I will at least be using the black. I'll have to decide about the other colors once I finish the cat. Now, the first thing I have to do is get the cat shape onto the fabric. I would like to try tracing the shape with this new pen I found. The ink is supposed to disappear with heat. I'm gonna go ahead and test it first. I'll just make a little mark out here on the corner and then blast it with the hairdryer. Oh my goodness, it worked! I was feeling a little bit worried there for a minute. I'm still going to try to go a little bit light on the outline. I am not a super trusting person. So far, so good. I think that I will stitch the outline with 3 strands of floss. That should give enough contrast to the thinner blackwork. We'll see, I guess. My plan is just to backstitch along and hopefully get a good curve. The thickness of the thread looks good anyway. Ta-da! There he is! He makes a pretty good outline. I've decided on bats for the cat fill pattern. I'll keep on using black, but just 1 strand. So now I guess I just pick a spot and fill in the pattern. I'm going to have to make each bat one at a time. I don't think I can just move across each line. That is not how my brain works. Hey, I finished the tail. It looks kind of funny because everything goes off the edge, but I managed to get through it without messing up my pattern. Now I'll just try to fill in the rest. Ha! I have to say he turned out pretty cute. Now, will I ruin it by adding some ground and a moon somewhere up here? Maybe, but it looks kind of lonely the way it is right now, so I'm just gonna go for it. I found a round shape to trace for the moon, and I marked where the ground should be with my leftover thread. I'm also going to add some shadows just to see how it looks. So here I go again, starting with the outlines. And then I'll fill everything in. Luckily, I have 2 more patterns. I really like how the shadow is coming out. It is a tiny bit subtle, but I think it's really cool. Ta-da! All the stitching is finished. Now I just need to get rid of the pen lines. Cross your fingers, here we go. Ah, it worked! I can't believe it. Now I'll just finish up the back and it's all done. I like it! It's a pretty good first attempt at blackwork, if you ask me. I mean, maybe a little simple, but I feel like that's a good place to start. I think it would look a little bit more like a black cat if maybe the bats were filled in, or somehow I made the pattern maybe all closer together so that it was darker. But I like the bats, so I'm okay with it. I am excited to try maybe a more complicated pattern, maybe a kit the next time that I try blackwork. This was fun. Thanks for watching. I hope that you try this or something like it. It was fun. Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos come out every single Saturday. So until the next one, be awesome, and I'll see you then. Bye!